Bro, you live?
Yes, we are
Yes, we
live
are live
now.
now.
Oh, okay, like a live. We are, we are on live. Hello, young. Hello. Live about.
So now we
So
are
now we
live
are live
in
in
YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube,
So we
so
can
we can
check the
check the
link.
link.
Tôi không biết đâu.
All right. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Hi,
everyone.
Mr. Sean.
Hi,
How are you
Mr.
there?
Sean. How are you there?
Yeah, how are you, Mr. Wayne? I'm good. I'm really good. So good evening, everyone. So how many of you are in the stream right now? I can see. Well,
So tonight we're going to have
So
a live
tonight we're
stream
going to have a live stream
with all the
with all
participants
the
from around
participants
the
from around
globe,
the
yeah,
globe,
specifically in
specifically
Asia.
in Asia.
yeah. I think
There will
in
be
There
Asia,
will be
around
many
all
guests
the
from
country.
guests from
Thailand,
Thailand,
some from Vietnam,
some
maybe
from
from
Vietnam,
Malaysia, and
maybe
then
from
Philippines
Malaysia, and then
side.
Philippines side.
And I hope you are
And I hope
enjoying
you are
your
enjoying
time in
your
front of your
time in front
computer
of your computer
or just in front of
or just in
your
front of
mobile
your
phone.
mobile phone.
because something good is coming up soon.
Yes. For live stream today, we will be talking a lot of topics, and we will share a few good tips to you how to trade the market, how to turn chaos into opportunity 2025.
Yeah, because when we see that what's happening around, what political that or economic events, they change the landscape of many countries, especially in terms of their currencies. Some are getting weaker, some are getting stronger. You know, the issue these days, especially when we talk about Donald Trump, it's very interesting. Yeah. And Elon Musk, the Department of Government Efficiency, Dodge. It's gonna be very
Yeah,
interesting.
because of them, you see the gold price already go more than 3,000,
Yeah, it's all-time
which is
high.
historically high.
All right, so I hope the participants can see us and then can hear our voice pretty clear from your side. Maybe you can chat, you can type something in the chat box. Then we will be happy to answer all your questions.
Yeah, we will be starting soon. Yeah, and well, hope you guys will stick with us because by the end of the seminar, we will give out some free premium ebook for the financial market that normally cost about like $500. But we will give out for free for all the audience today. Yeah, so please stay with us until the end. And also we will be giving out a few free prop challenge account to the lucky winner. Yeah, so please stay tuned, and by the end of the seminar we will have some ballot and then we will get the lucky winner out. Yeah,
Sure,
so
we are going to be very generous tonight, Sean.
mm,
Yeah, for everyone, but you have to watch and follow our discussion because we're expecting more questions, you know, especially the beginners, those who already traded for 3 years, 5 years. You can also exchange ideas. There will be a part question and answer session where we're gonna have more interactive. That's why you have to stay tuned and then wait until the very end, because we are going to give you this premium ebook, yeah, financial markets. Yeah, you will love these books for sure, but you have to stay until the end. Yeah. That's the requirement.
yeah, please stay with us until the end. Yeah, so
Sure.
okay, so now it's 8:10 evening. Okay, so let's get it started. So let me introduce Wen is actually our chief education officer and also a seasoned forex trading expert with many years with hands-on market experience. So with his deep understanding of currency movement and risk management and trading strategy has actually made him a highly respected figure in the trading community. Yeah, so many audience and many traders in the world actually have benefited from his sharp market analysis and also practical insight. Yeah. So like without further delay, let's welcome Wayne to start the
Drum
seminar.
rolls. Thanks, John. So, welcome everyone, wherever you are. Welcome to this very wonderful live session. Me, myself, I'm very happy to be able to be in front of you guys, in front of the camera. Yeah. So, I can see there are people coming from Thailand here, participants from Philippine side. There will be also some from Malaysian side, Vietnam, and other around the globe. And let me show you guys my screen. All right, here we go. I hope everyone can see my screen. So, as you see, the title of the things that we are going to discuss is very interesting. Yeah, very interesting. It's going to be mastering the dark side of the financial markets. Yeah, and how we can turn the chaos, the chaotic moments these days when you see a lot of things happening. When Zelensky went to United States in the Oval Office last month, yeah, Mike Pence was there, Donald Trump was there, a lot of media's at the back. You know, they were bantering discussions. You know, it feels like Ukraine are in the very, confusion situation right now, where after that discussion with Donald Trump, then the European Union, they all went to Saudi Arabia, and I think Saudi Arabia or Dubai, and then they had this important meeting, yeah, to find the best solutions for Ukraine. You know, these are the things that you can see the wars everywhere. You know, people are not also trusting the governments. There are many corruptions going on around the world. A lot of changes, dynamics in the political landscape, in the economic landscape as well. So how we are going to turn all this situation, this chaotic moment, into opportunity. And tonight I'm going to also highlight three things. We're going to discuss how the prop trading would be the best solution for you guys out there. Yeah, when you start to trade, there will be a very good information, a lot of good information that you will receive tonight. And also I'm going to share you some trading concepts, very simple. You can use in any pair of instruments, either in commodities, either in crypto, in forex pairs, and so on. And lastly, we're gonna have a lot of fun games. Yeah, we're gonna have a lucky wheels and so on. So please stay focused. Please pay attention. If you have traded before and you come to this session with me, please empty your cup first. Okay, I know that you have been learning around. Yeah, you have signed up to different courses online with different coaches, different mentors, different online courses. You watch YouTube, you watch offline seminars and so on. But I would like you to empty your cup first so that I can fill you with information. Yeah, that later on you can think, okay, is this information going to be work out for my trading? Or if you're a beginner, will I be secured and safe if I'm going to invest or I'm going to jump into trade? Yeah, so stay focused because we're going to give you a 5 premium FX financial market ebook. The quarters theory, I have read all this because that's why I give this for free. We give this for free. BitProp is giving this for free. Out of these 5, the book that I read every time, I keep on repeating every year, which is the Black Book of Forex Trading and the price action breakdown with the naked forex. Yeah, so you will get it for free after this session. So you have to stay until the very end of this thing. And we're gonna give you a 4,000 account size for 1 or 2 lucky winners. Yeah, so please type in your names. If you are in Thailand, you're in Bangkok or in Chiang Mai, wherever you are, yeah, in Pattaya, wherever you are, you're in Malaysia, you're in the Philippines. Please contact your representative of BitProps there. Okay, you can also go to the website www.bit-prop.com and you can go live chat, and then you can chat Hi, Bitprop. This is me. I'm attending your webinar, and then you can put your name there. So whatever means you would like to uh, also be included in the lucky draw by the end of this webinar, yeah, please do so. Okay. So I've been a seasoned trader for 12 years. It's gonna be it was an up and down in my journey. It's not all good time. There are bad times, in these 12 years of my journey. I've enjoyed life, meeting good friends, meeting big people. I trade silently, I trade live, I trade in front of a huge audience as well. I go to universities, I teach about forex trading, yeah, live webinar, offline, and so on. I do coaches and everything. So I enjoy my life being a trader as well. But this is not a simple journey. I bought my first Maserati, and then after that, I exchanged my Maserati. I bought another car, which is a Ferrari. Then the secret thing here is you have to be patient. You need to have a passion and be patient. Two things, yeah. And why you guys are lucky enough to be in this webinar, because you are not going through the bleeding process of just understanding the secret and the real scheme behind all these forex market, crypto markets, financial markets, all the behind the scene thing. Yeah. As you see the picture here, your plan seems to be like a straightforward line, but the reality, it goes up and down, guys. So what I have been through, I hope that you guys will not go through what I have experienced. That's why it's very important for you to watch until the end of this webinar. There are a lot of reality findings when I speak with many traders from around the world, yeah, especially from the Asia, Malaysian traders, Thailand traders, Philippine traders, Vietnam traders. Most of them, especially the beginner traders, they tend to much change the strategy in trading. They execute the trade. Let's say this month they go as a scalper, and then the following month they go for using another strategy. They're using a supply and demand strategy too much, and then they just wait. They go long. They're not doing the day trade. Yeah, so they keep on changing their trading style and also their trading strategy. And most of them, they would like to have an instant success. What I mean, yeah. They just would like to get rich just in one night. No, it will not happen, man. This will never happen. Okay, so many of them also, they do not have a trading plan, trading journal. They have wrong mentorship. They have limited to no access to the behind the scene global operation of the how this FX going on. And also they just believe in other traders setup. They fully believe when people say, okay, buy here, sell here, they just follow, without having a very good foundation. They don't understand about fundamentals. They don't understand about how to calculate the trading position requirement, and so on and so forth. So these are the realities, okay? So now let's try to unlock your potentials by mastering the dark side of the financial markets, and how we gonna turn, the chaos into opportunity. Okay, let me move this screen here. Okay, so you can see better. Okay, this is the very intriguing facts. 80 to 90% traders, they're losing money. But 10 to 20%, they're consistently profitable. Then why you are watching this webinar, if you are saying, okay, then if I'm a beginner, I will lose 80 to 90% of my money. I will not make it. Who says that? Will you belongs to the 80 to 90% of people, or you will belongs to the 10 to 20% people? So you can put yourself in which positions. Are you going to fail, or are you going to be successful? And maybe you're saying, this forex thing is not my thing. I'm too old to study. I don't have time to learn. I'm too busy with my family, I'm too busy with my kids, I'm too busy with my other business. Remember this, these are the facts. I search in Google and in other also search engine, startup success and failure rate. Roughly 90% of startup fails. It's not me, the one that's telling this. This is the god of Google who says this. Yeah. So if you're thinking that I'm just gonna trade, I'm gonna lose money because 80 to 90% people are losing money. Look at this. You're gonna start up a business, you're gonna have a restaurant, you're gonna have a coffee shop. 90% startup fails in many industries. Okay? So when you compare, Forex is very high risk. Come on, man. Other business also very high risk. 90% fails. Yeah, look at this reality. Okay? Now, let's say, okay, I have money. I have $5,000. Let me open a barbershop business. Do you think $5,000? How much is in BAT? Sean, if you can check on the xe.com, let's say 5,000 US dollar in BAT, in Thailand BAT. How much is that? And then after that you can tell me. You imagine 10,000, 5,000 or 10,000 US dollar, you open a barbershop. You gotta find a place, the right place where people come and go, like a business place where there are a lot of traffic coming in so people can see your brand. You're gonna buy furnitures, okay? You're gonna buy the chair for the, for the barbers. You're gonna buy a lot of things, equipments. You're gonna renovate. You're gonna pay the rent at least 1 year. Nobody will rent it for 3 months, you know. Then you're gonna purchase the software for the business. Then you're gonna recruit people. You're gonna hire people. You're gonna interview them. You're gonna do a lot of things, many things, and in the end, 90% fails. You see that? Okay, but at least it's a real business. Who says Forex is not a real business? Then if you say, okay then, maybe barbershop is not my thing, let me go open a coffee shop. You know how many coffee shops that every day or every week they're like putting new brand, new brand, new brand, and in the end, after 3 months, after 6 months, they're closing down. Yeah, you gotta pay rent, you gotta pay utilities. How much is the $5,000
Five
in that?
thousand dollar is 170,000 Thai baht.
170,000 baht.
170,000 baht.
Yeah. Do you think with 170,000 baht you can have a coffee shop? It's impossible. So
Impossible.
all this sample of the businesses, the retail business that you think, okay, it's gonna work out. It's not only you that have to think about it as a business owner, but also the other factors, just like human resource. How if they resign? How if your restaurant, the chef, two chef, and two chef is resigning? You're gonna create, you're gonna hire more people. It takes time. If there are something happen, there's calamities, just like in the Philippines. In the Philippines, usually every year there are like typhoon, yeah, or tornado every September, October, November, December, usually, yeah. So when the rainy season, people are staying at home, people lazy to go out. Then who will go to your coffee shop, man? Right? And then after that, you're gonna sell out all your things. You're gonna close down. These are the business side where it needs more effort from your side, not only from you, but from people that you are, what do you call this, that you work with together as an operation. But in Forex business, in Forex trading, in financial market, it's only you. You are the one who make decision. You are the one who analyzing the market. You use the tools that BitProp is going to give you out. You're gonna learn all together with BitProp's good education part, and then what you are going to risk is not about your money, yeah, because when you trade using a prop firm, where I'm going to go through after this, what are the good things about prop firm? You're not going to use your own money. So it's only you. So what you have to prepare is your mentality, okay, your time. You have to dedicate your time to learn. You have to also be patient, okay. You have to learn one step at a time for you to be successful in forex journey. Because right now working hard is not enough. You lose your time, so you need to have to work smart. And after that, all the knowledge that you learn in forex market, no one can steal your knowledge. If you have a retail business, a physical business, people can steal, people can, destroy your business. But in the forex market, if you learn the financial market or crypto market, when you trade using a prop firm environment, no one can steal your knowledge. Then you can pass it to your loved ones. You can pass it to your friends. You can pass it to your cousins. Yeah, because this is something that you're gonna learn. Now, what are the most financial market brokerage companies will not tell you? This is the dark secret truth. Okay, many financial market companies doesn't want to tell you this. What is it? They don't care if you lose or if you profit. If you're making profit or you lose money in trading, anyhow they're gonna still make commission out of your trade. The price of buying and selling price, that's how they're gonna make money. They don't care if you lose or you profit. They're still gonna earn money. But this is not something that a prop firm will do. Now, you're getting interested now, right? What is prop firm actually all about? Is prop firm just all about demo account? No. Basically, we go back to the long history of prop trading. This by Google. Prop trading or prop firm is a company that provide traders like you to trade on financial markets. So instead of you using your own capital, your own money, a prop firm that creates a different kind of what do you call this? A program to see if you are a beneficial trader, that you can earn profit, you can make profit together. Because once you make a profit, the prop firm also make a profit. So to make it simple, the prop firm is to find traders around the world. If you're in Thailand, you're in the Philippines, you're wherever you are, then you prove yourself into a series of a challenge or evaluation that you can apply your risk management in trading. Okay. The second thing is traders like you, no need for you to risk your own money. Instead, the prop firms will give you the money. Okay, and then after you trade on behalf of the prop firms, you're gonna make profit. Then there will be a split. There's gonna be a profit sharing between you as a trader and the prop firm. Let's say big prop here is a prop firm. Okay, so go through with me. How does a prop firm work? There will be an evaluation phase where you have to pass a challenge to prove that you can trade profitably while following risk management rules. What are the risk management rules? You should not exceed 5% maximum drawdown or maximum loss per day. Or in total, you shouldn't exceed 10% total drawdown or total loss. Example, you have also your own business, right? You have $10,000, 340,000 Thailand baht. Yeah, for sure, you doesn't want your business to just close down in 1 month time. So you manage your risk. You hire people one by one. Not all of a sudden you're gonna hire 10 people without having a good revenue that you earn from your business, right? So the same thing. In evaluation phase, you will follow the rules, the trading conditions, the program conditions. This is for you to be able to apply your risk management and for you to be a disciplined trader. Then once you pass the evaluation, you're gonna go for a confirmation. The second steps, okay? And after that, you're gonna get your funded account where the rules are pretty much the same, then after you pass the second stage, which is the confirmation stage, then you're gonna get a funded account. When you make profit out of it, you're gonna have a profit split. It starts from 60% up to 90%. So the company, like BitProp, will just receive a small portion of it, and you get the larger portion of the profit share. So how the platform helps traders like you. So no need for a large capital investment, okay? You can trade, start from 4,000 account size, you can just buy for less than $100. You buy it for, if 5,000 baht is 170, so pretty much, how much is for $100, Sean? It's going to be about 3,000 baht, something. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So you are not actually investing using your own money, but you are going to join the program with a sign-up fee. Very, very small amount on that. Okay. Then how platform helps traders like you? We built the risk management system so that when you also trade on behalf of BitProp's money, the company's money, the company also will not lose a lot of risk or lose a lot of money, because we said the risk is in 10%. So we are hoping that you as a traders, when we are empowering you to be profitable and good traders, it can be a win-win solution between us. Then we encourage you to be a professional trader rather than be like having a gambling mindset. Then you're gonna have an access to our professional tools and technology. Our platform is a very wonderful platform. I'm gonna discuss it on the last part of this session. Then you're gonna have also a structure and learning mentorship, because in one big community, BitProp's community, we are learning from each other to find the best strategy in trading, because in the end, everyone is happy. You make money, we make money. You lose, we also lose, right? But you are not losing your own money. You're using our capital, BitProp's capital or the platform's capital. Yeah, so there's no personal financial risk whatsoever from your side. All right, so as I said, when you earn profit, we also earn profit here. So as much as possible, this program that is being designed by prop firms include BitProp, which is one of the best prop firms so far in Asia. Yeah, if you see our YouTube page, we are the top one in Asia, because we have a very good system. We have a very sophisticated technology that can help you elevate your trade, that can help you to, for you to earn as much as possible. So it's an unlimited thing that you can earn. Now, why prop trading is more secure than the traditional FX brokerage? You heard about many other platforms, Forex brokerage company. In traditional Forex brokerage, you have to put your own money. If you're gonna trade for $500, then you're gonna put $500. If you lose everything, you burn that account, you blow up your account, then that's it. You're gonna blow up the whole money, all of your capitals. Okay, but in prop firms, we provide you with significant funding ranging from 4,000 to 100,000 US dollar, so you can trade larger. Lower personal risk, as I mentioned, big profit sharing, structured evaluation, discipline. We are having a good community and support. So when you earn, you also earn. And this also to unlock your career development. If you're gonna work in banks, you're gonna work in a treasury departments, you're gonna work in capital asset management, where there are a lot of instruments like bonds, stocks, swaps, futures, derivatives, Forex, cryptos, yeah, you name it. Yeah. So One of the instruments that you will trade would be a forex market, because forex market is a huge market compared to a stock market. Not even a 1% of stock market can compare to forex market. Okay, so this can also unlock the opportunity. You can work anywhere. You can have a lot of good basic salary. Usually in European, I have a friend. They said that to work in a asset management in Dubai, or somewhere in Romania, in Poland, they're gonna pay you about 30,000 euro per month. That's just a basic salary. Then they're gonna give you also profit share, your performance fee, if you manage the assets. Yeah. So for you to be able to get there, you have to learn. Where are you gonna learn? You're gonna learn in a prop trading environment. Okay? You're gonna learn in prop trading environment. Now, how are you gonna trade consistency gain as prop trader? All right, here we go. You need to have a journal, trading plan and journal. Let me see if I have my trading journal here. I'm going to show you my trading journal. My trading journal will be, okay, this one, my trading journal January. Okay, this is how you're gonna make your trading journal. Okay, for you, I can give you this for free later on after this session. So when you go for a starting balance, you have to put what period you trade, type of trade, what is your lot size or your contract size, how many percent you're going to put in your risk reward ratio, how many pips that you achieved, the reason for you to entry, the reason for entry. Okay, so sometimes I use break and retest, I use demand zone, I use supply zone, I also use the SMC, the smart money concept, where you're going to see the fair value gap and so on and so forth. So you have to put down, the profit loss amount. When you profit or you lose, you have to also put it down there. Yeah. So if you're curious about the trading platform, here is the trading platform. Very simple, very easy to use. Okay, there are a lot of instruments here. Yeah, you can see there are forex, there are metals, so many things. There are also cryptos. You can see these are cryptocurrencies. Yeah, this is why I jumped to this platform to show you guys, because I want to show you how we are going to make a trade. Okay, so here is the instruments on the left. We are using Vortex 7 as the instrument of the trade. Okay, and also it is integrated with TradingView. For the charts, you see a lot of indicators here. You name it. All the indicators that usually you're doing. Like, let's say for the oscillator, you're going to use stochastic. So many other things. It's very complete indicators that you can find in this platform as well. Yeah, these are the time frame. Okay, let's say I'm making a profit since last week. I opened a position. I put my risk and reward in 1%. Okay, let's say in euro US dollar. What is happening here? Okay, you see using daily time frame. As always, I speak to some participants in my other webinars as well, in my boot camp or trading coach. I always say that the history will repeat itself. A very simple thing. The history will repeat itself. As you see here, we can use the SMC technique. When you see the market is going deep down, but it will go let's say this is going to be your uh, resistance area. Then after that, you're going to put here as your uh, it's going to be your first lower high here. Yeah. So all the tools here are very useful. As you see here, probably the market will go weaken a little bit. Yeah, and then you can see if there is going to be a three candlestick that shows about the fair value gap. Okay, we can find out. Okay, so the fair value gap, just for an example, okay, those are the three candles where the previous candles and the third candle, there are a wick like this. You call it a wick, where there it leaves a gap. Okay, it leaves a gap. So usually the liquidity will fill in the gap. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out to find a wick here. Let me go to other instruments. Yeah. So this is just to simulate the trading platform. Okay, let's go to Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD CAD. Let's try to find a three formation candles that goes either bullish or bearish, and it creates a gap. Okay, you can look at here. I found one. You see this area, there is a wick here on this bearish candle. There are three formation, right? One, the first candle, second candle, third candle. So look at the wick. The wick on this third candle, it didn't even fill the gap from the first candle. So we can say this area is a fair value gap area. Okay? Where many traders will think that, okay, this is a bearish candle. It will go down and down more. No. Why? Because the liquidity, there's a gap here. There's a gap where the liquidity has to fill in. So it will bounce back and fill in this area. So look at the following candles. It filled in that area. This strong reversal candle, bullish candle after the previous bearish candle, it went up and filled in this area, right? Look at that. So this is just one of the example of how you utilize this platform, yeah. And we can talk hours and hours on how to use this smart money concept and so on. Okay, this is one of the things that you are also going to learn when you trade using a prop firm like BitProp, and then we're gonna also teach you in a boot camp on how you can test the strategy as well. All right. So aside from you're gonna have your trading journal, you need also to have your trading plan. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through a trading plan. Okay, here you go. This is my trading plan. Before I make a trade, I used to make a trading plan. What should I do before I enter a trade? Okay, I use a 1.08% per trade. My risk tolerance is $200 if I'm managing 100,000 US. If I'm using leverage 1 to 100, let me try to zoom in. Okay, like this. The scenario would be like leverage. The value per pip is $10 per pip. My balance is 100,000 US. How much lot per trade? I'm going to use one lot, the running price, blah, 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 target pip. So all these things need to be prepared before you are going to execute the trade. It's not just like looking at the charts, okay, and then applying specific strategy, but you also need to prepare your trading plan. If you can also write down in your book, it's fine. If you're going to put in Excel file, it's fine. Whatever method that you are going to use. Okay, so after you trade, you put in your trading journal. As I said, always have your trading journal that can help you recorded all your gain or things that you can improve from your trading. Yeah. So I used also to have a risk management where I limit my risk management. If trading in prop firm like BitProp, I put 0.2 to 0.5 per trade. So for a day, if the max drawdown is 5%, if you're using 0.5% risk per trade, you can have 10 trades per day. Okay? But don't force yourself, you have to trade 10 times per day. No need. 1, 2 trades per day is enough. You get a profit, you put your risk reward 1 to 3, you lose 1, but you gain 3. Yeah, the ratio is a very good ratio for you to try. Okay? So the things that you also need to prepare, you have to maintain your emotional discipline. Sometimes when you win big, you make a profit 4%, 5% in one trade, you feel like, okay, now I get the right rhythm. Then you enter a bigger trade size. Usually you open only 0.05 lot. Now you're, okay, I'm going to open 1 lot. Then you're gambling with your strategy. Okay, so you have to maintain your emotional discipline. If you lose in 1 or 2 trades, you review what happened, why you lose on that trade, why your stop loss is being hit, not your take profit. So you need to review. You check on the news what's happening on the economic event that has the impact on that particular instrument that you're trading. Okay, then you maintain your discipline. Okay, don't be too excited. Don't also, keep holding back that you're not going to trade for a week. Okay, treat this as a exercise for you, a training ground for you. Yeah, and then the fourth thing for you to be a consistency trader, you improve your technical and the fundamental analysis. You can read books. Yeah, the PDF that I'm going to send out to you after this session, you can read that. Then if you're going to improve more on the technical side, you can join BitProp. We have a boot camp. You just purchase any challenge, or you can go for instant funding. We're gonna help you out. Yeah, we're gonna mentor you. We're gonna have a group session with you. We have a structured webinar, classes that you can attend just for free. It's part of BitProp's program. Then you have to focus on the consistency over big wins. Okay. After you become consistent, you use a good strategy, good risk and reward that you apply, then you're gonna slowly build resilience. You build your confidence, but do not be too overconfident. A confidence that's enough for you to maintain your mentality to keep on earning 1%, 2% per week, 3% per week. Then when you calculate per month, you're going to have 15% profit. Then if you join the BitPro program, meaning to say you already hit your profit target, which is 10%. Right? So one step at a time, build your resilience and adaptability. And make use of prop firms' resources. Yeah, like all the tools that we're going to give you out, or also the boot camp session that we can also give to you guys. Now, how you can choose the reliable and trustworthy prop firm? So many prop firms out there. There are a lot of prop firms. But to find the one that trustworthy, never fails in paying your profit sharing, no hidden rules, this is very important, because there are so many prop firms that saying, okay, we are number one, we are the biggest, we have so many traders, but in the end they fail to pay your profit share, or they will put so many hidden rules when you are going to make profit with them. Maybe you make first profit 10% profit split, it's okay, it's fine, they're gonna pay you. Then the second time you're gonna profit 20% or 25%, then they're gonna change the conditions of the trading to make you fail in the long run. Okay, so these are the companies that you have to get rid of. Okay, you have to avoid. So how to choose the reliable? First, you evaluate the funding models. Okay, now we started to give you the profit share starting from 60, 70% up to 90%. Okay, depends on the size of account that you're gonna buy, you're gonna purchase, or when you sign up. Okay, and you have to understand the evaluation process. What are the rules? So join company or the prop firms that doesn't give you any hidden rules, just like BitProp. Okay, so you analyze the risk management rules as well. What is going to be their daily drawdown? How many day minimum day for you to trade? Okay, because a good prop firms, just like BitProp, we are looking for traders that can make a profit consistently. Small profit, but consistently. 1% per day, 0.5% per day. But when you calculate in a week, you can make 8%, 10%. In a month, you can make 15%, 20%. These are the type of traders that we are looking for. Okay? If you're saying, how if I gonna make a profit 20% in one day, in only 2 or 3 trades in one day? Yes, you can pass, but there are minimum 5 days. Why 5 days minimum days that you have to trade? Because we would like to see if you have the gambling mentality or you are a prop firm traders mentality. We are not looking here for traders that just make a one-time big time. Okay, we want you to make a simple step going onward. Then you assess the payout policies. Okay, we have a bi-weekly payout policy. You're gonna earn your profit 2 times in a month. Whenever you hit the 10%, you withdraw, or the system will automatically withdraw for you to your wallet. Okay, this is something that you need to make sure first. You check on the trading flexibility, and then this one important thing, you check the liquidity provider connection. This is very important, because the liquidity providers, it provides you the books, the order books. So all the prices that you are going to trade, it's there. If you are just going to trade with just a brokerage company and not a liquidity provider like BitProp, straight to liquidity provider, there is no middleman. Okay, there is no middle company that pass your trade to the liquidity. So you trade straight to the liquidity. So we work together with the top tier liquidity like Brocktagon, and things like this you need to put in mind. Okay, where the liquidity is a very important thing for you to trade. So you will not have issue like a slippage, a lot of slippage. Slippage sometimes happen because of the order books, but you want to find a good liquidity provider that can back you up. And also you need to have an instant funding option. These are the parameters that you will find a good prop firms. All right, we can teach you in our community, in our boot camp. Then in the end, you're gonna have a certificate. If you pass, you can be proud of yourself, if you're hardworking, you focus, you spend time, apply your trading technique. If you do not know how to trade, we are here to help you out on our bootcamp. So no need to worry. Now, I'm going to introduce you BitProp. Why I trusted BitProp? Because it is backed by one of the best liquidity provider. It's been 15 years. So when you trade with one of the best liquidity providers in the world, you will feel safe, very safe. That all your profit share will always be paid out. So Brocktagon has been 15 years in providing the large liquidity pools. They have a lot of firms under them, clients, forex brokerage, crypto exchange, 3.5 billion transaction volume. They have more than 500 million capital reserve fund. So it's enough for you to trade and to make profit together. They have representative all around the world, especially very strong in Southeast Asia for BitProp. And Proctagon itself has a very tight and strict regulated, followed each jurisdiction that they offer this technology. So very strong backbone that we have. The Forex trading platform, as I said, very easy, user-friendly to use. You can move your profit, take profit, stop loss, up and down, up and down. It's very easy. You just drag, drop, and drag your mouse. Very, very easy to use. Okay, so if you see in the website, there are two type of programs. The fund managed sizing, which first is the two-step challenge, and the second one would be the instant funding challenge. Very affordable, where you can start with $59 for 4,000 account. You can go for $135 for $10,000 account. Okay, then up to $200,000, you can just pay $1,899, not even 1%. Okay, but once you make a profit, then your return of investment just to sign up to the program is worth of your money, of every single penny. I'll give you an example. Okay, also instant funding, only start from $120 for 2,500, and you can go up to 50,000 for the instant funding, only about 1,500 US dollar. Now, if you're saying, come on, it's too much. Okay, money you spend, let's say for $4,000 account is $59, right? And for the $10,000 is only $135. Okay, what are the, I'm going to zoom it a bit so you can see how affordable, and then is very promising, and then is very useful if you're going to trade using prop firm like BitProp. So this is the money you spent, $59, and then the target profit, or the profit target, should be that way. The profit target would be 10%, right? So the profit target would be 10%, which if you reach the 10%, you're going to earn 400, right? Sorry. Okay, and this one, you just spend for $135. How much in Thailand baht, Sean? Can you help me, bro? $135 in Thailand baht. Yeah. So if you, let's say you spend $135.
It's about 4,005 Thai baht.
Hmm. How much? 1,000?
How much? 1,000?
Sorry, 135?
1,000.
Sorry,
Sorry,
135.
135.
135 is 4,005 Thai baht.
So 4,500 baht, yeah? $135. Then the profit target is 10%. So this is what we are making profit. So profit share here for you, for BitProp here. For $10,000, sorry, for 10,000 account size, the profit share is 70. Is it? Okay. So you're going to earn 70%, and BitProp is only earning, sorry, should be here. And BitProp will earn 30%. Right? Wrong. Right. Okay, so with $59 you spent, then you hit the first profit target is $400. You get 70% of the 14 of the 400. immediately it's 4 times what you spent. You get $280 from your first. This is only from your first payout. You imagine that. Then second payout, you hit another 10%. It's even like 10 times from what you are the fee that you sign up, right? So let's say, okay, if 1,000, how much is 1,000? You got $700. It's going to be in general $700. You spend 135, so it's like 6 times higher the return of your investment. So you're not losing money from your side, you're using company's money. You just need to prove yourself that you are worth to make use, to utilize the company's capital. All right, so we are about to end our session. I would like to, or Sean, you can tell the good news of the promotion.
Promotion.
Yeah. Okay. So I will give out a free account to the lucky winner today.
All right.
All right.
Okay. So we are going to lucky draw right now.
Lucky draw right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
will share my
Okay.
So
screen.
I will stop sharing my screen.
Stop sharing my screen.
Yeah. So yeah. So there will be a very lucky winner who can
Who is going to be the lucky winners?
Who is going to be the lucky winners?
Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So these are the names. That
So who will be the winner? Let's count
So who
down.
will be the
5,
winner?
4,
Let's
3,
count down.
2,
5, 4, 3,
1.
2,
5,
1.
4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Danny. Oh, congrats. Mr. Danny.
All congrats.
Okay, Danny will
Mr.
be the
Danny.
winner of the day. So Danny, please leave your email later in the chat box, and then make sure you register our account, the CRM account, with the email. Later on, I will send you the free package in your CRM. Yeah. Thank you and congrats, Danny, for getting our free package.
Thank you, Sean. I'm going to share
Thank
a
you, Sean.
screen as well.
I'm going to
So
share
before we're
screen
gonna
as well.
end up
Before we're
the
gonna
session,
end up session,
then I'm going to open up for a Q&A for
then I'm
another
going to
5 to
open
10
up for
minutes.
a Q&A for another 5 to 10 minutes.
I would like
Yeah.
to
So
inform you guys
I would
about
like
our
to
promotion
inform you guys about our promotion
for Thailand
for
traders,
Thailand
wherever you are.
traders.
Okay,
Wherever you
upcoming
are.
Songkran festivals.
Okay.
I love Songkran festivals.
Songkran festivals.
Uh,
Songkran festivals.
a few years back, I was there during Songkran festival.
Few
You know,
years
we
back,
play
I
with
was
the
there
water
during
gun.
Songkran festival.
It's a
We play
blessing
with the
for
water gun.
the people of
Blessing
Thai.
for
So we're
the
also
people
like
of
to
Thai.
celebrate that
So
for
we're
our
also
April
like to
promotion.
celebrate
Start
that
from April
for our
1
April promotion
to the
start
last
from
day of
April
April,
1
April
to the
30 or
last day of
31.
April, April
So
30
when
or
you buy
31.
one
So when you buy
challenge,
one challenge,
you are going to receive another
you are going
smaller
to receive
challenge.
another
So if you
smaller
buy a
challenge. So if you
$10,000
buy a
challenge account,
$10,000
which
challenge
only
account,
$135,
only $135,
you will get the
you
4,000
will get
account
the 4,000
for free.
account
Okay.
Yeah.
And also for the Philippine side, there will be an Easter celebration, the same thing. Okay. For both countries, I hope that everyone can enjoy this April promotion and sign up as soon as possible. Last but not least, if you are going to sign up and buy instant funding or a two-step challenge, tonight only, I'll give you time until, okay, not until tonight, I'll give you until tomorrow morning 6 a.m. Yeah, because traders love to trade during US session. I'll give you time until tomorrow 6 a.m. Thailand time, Bangkok time. You buy one challenge or instant funding, I'm going to send you over 5 EA that you can use anywhere. Yeah, this is for your own consumption. There is a uh, guidance on how you can install, or you can you have to read that terms and condition. Yeah, then you can apply, you can have these 5 ES. There are battle scalper EA, good for a scalper. Daily breakout, that also we use it for to determine where is the breakout area. We have goldfinch, especially for gold traders. We have a pro pattern. There are specific patterns using price action, and also the ICT that we apply in this EA. And last but not least, in the middle you see the Pandora Prime EA. Yeah, this is a wonderful EA. That's why we put it in the middle. It's Pandora Prime, like you're opening a Pandora box. Yeah. So I hope everyone enjoying the session today. Sign up with BitProp, www.bitprop.com, bit-prop.com. Then we're going to be here to help you guys out in your trading journey. Okay, so be disciplined. We are here every time that you would like to chat with us in the live chat. We have a different live schedules on the boot camp that you can join after you pay the challenge, you purchase the challenge. Yeah, and then hopefully to see you in the boot camp, and then to see you success with BitProp. Because lastly is BitProp is your gateway to bigger wins. Yeah. So that's from me, from my side. If you have questions, I can allow for another 5 minutes before we're gonna end the session.
Yeah. So if you have any questions pertaining to the seminar of anything you want to ask Wayne, you can just drop your questions and comment at the live chat session. Yeah. Just comment below or ask any questions you want. So our expert Wayne will answer you with his more than 10 years of experience in Forex. Yeah, so just comment below.
For you guys, if you want to have a more session like a technical analysis straight together, yeah, you can purchase a challenge and then you come and see me on every, for the beginners, on every Monday and Wednesday. Okay, we're gonna send you out the link. For the experienced trader, you can join me on every Tuesday and Thursday, 7 to 8 p.m. Bangkok time, or 8 to 9 p.m. Manila time, Philippine time. Yeah. So maybe you're asking why we are not talking so much about technical analysis. If you're talking about technical analysis all in one sit, it's going to take hours. Okay, because we are going to do live trade with you. You ask questions to me and also other speakers as well in the near future. We're going to have more speakers coming in. So I'm just going to show you the things that we are going to learn all together in the next session once you purchase. You see my screen here. So for the beginner, we're gonna start from a very basic CFD trading 101, trading terminologies. What is PIP? What is leverage? What is spread? How to use the platform. The trading pairs, starting from the Australian session, move to Tokyo session, Japanese session, and go to UK session, London session, and end up using US session. Then we're going to learn about PIP calculation, leverage, balance, margin equity, how to navigate the platform, different trading analysis. These are for the beginners, okay? So if you are beginners, no worries. Purchase the challenge, buy the challenge, then you can get this for free, okay? We're going to finish this in 1 month time. So 8 meetings, okay? You can also set up like how to learn to put the right risk management, the trading plan, and the experienced traders. This is if you're gonna purchase minimum for the 10,000 challenge. Okay, so for the beginner, you can purchase the 4,000 account size or the 2,500 instant funding. But for the experience, I encourage you to go for 10,000 account size for the two-step challenge. Okay, and the 5,000 instant funding, because this will be a 24 sessions. Okay, about trading psychology, how to build a trading journal, creating a personalized trading plan. Yeah, you're gonna see. Wait, where's the few course? Okay, somewhere there. So then you're gonna understand what the smart money concepts. Yeah, institutional order flow, the liquidity traps, the FVG. Then we're gonna learn about order blocks, breakout structures, liquidity zones. Yeah, we identify all the areas, market structure, change of characters, price actions. You know, all this. So for sure, you will not lose a single, every single money that you spend, every penny, every Thailand baht that you spend for this is worth. This is for free, guys, yeah? But you have to purchase first, okay? So I hope to see you guys in the bootcamp, and so you can learn all together in the future webinar. All right, so we already have a lucky winner. Whoever buy the purchase or purchase this two-step challenge and the instant funding until tomorrow 6 a.m. I will give you the free 5 EA. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for listening to this live stream. Hope you learned something or many things, hopefully. And I thank you also, Sean, for hosting this very wonderful live stream webinar, and all the people behind this event. So happy trading, and hope everyone will have a successful trade with BitProp. See you guys.